tide of something real. Somehow I lost you.
Hey everyone, so we are on our way to King Arthur's castle in Camelot in, what is it called? Tintagel probably. But look at that awesome view. We are going to go and explore Merlin's cave and hopefully see where King Arthur pulled the sword out of the stone. So yeah, enjoy the views and hopefully we can get some drone footage in here, because I have logged the flight. So let's see if we can do it, but they're quite fussy about that. But have a look at this epic view.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. So long. Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found.
Welcome to Merlin's cave.